Many software projects do not fail because developers cannot write good code. They fail because important architectural decisions made early were not designed for future growth. At the beginning, small compromises may seem acceptable. But as the system grows, those decisions can become expensive problems. Here is where a software architecture review becomes valuable. An architecture review is a structured evaluation of a software system's design before problems reach production. It is not about finding mistakes or criticizing previous decisions. It is about asking the right questions early. The first area of review is alignment between business objectives and technology decisions. Architecture should support the business strategy. We evaluate. Does the solution solve the right business problem? Does the design support future growth? Are we building what is needed, rather than adding unnecessary complexity? Good architecture connects business value with technical decisions. A system that works for a few users may fail when the business grows. Architecture reviews examine application scalability, database design, API performance, caching strategy, load handling, failure recovery. The key question is, can this system continue working when demand increases? Security cannot be added as an afterthought. A good architecture review checks authentication and authorization, data protection, network security, compliance requirements, infrastructure design. We also evaluate cloud strategy. Are resources optimized? Is the infrastructure reliable? Are we controlling unnecessary costs? Modern systems depend on integrations, automation, and continuous delivery. Architecture reviews look at API design, external integrations, CI/CD practices, deployment strategies, monitoring, and observability. A successful system is not only built for today. It must be easy to improve tomorrow. Great architecture is not about using the newest technology. It is about creating a foundation that allows the business to grow with confidence. Whether you are building a new application, modernizing a legacy platform, moving to the cloud, preparing for rapid growth, a software architecture review helps reduce risk and improve long-term outcomes.